For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the JBL Tune 760NC, a wireless earbud that promises industry-leading noise cancellation and an impressive battery life. Most of you are probably tired of mediocre wireless earbuds that fail to deliver on their promises, but these earbuds changed everything for me. With its sleek design, advanced features, and uncompromising performance, the JBL Tune 760NC has raised the bar in the world of true wireless earbuds. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into what sets this product apart from others on the market. Are you ready to discover why these earbuds are worth every penny? Deep dive next 400 words. The JBL Tune 760NC boasts up to 32 hours of battery life, with 6 hours provided by a single charge and an additional 26 hours courtesy of the charging case, perfect for long-haul flights or commutes. This is not only impressive but also reflects its ability to adapt to your daily needs. However, what truly sets this product apart from its competitors is its advanced noise cancellation technology. The JBL Tune 760NC features 3 microphones on each earbud to capture and eliminate background noise, providing a more immersive listening experience. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? I tested the JBL Tune 760NC in various environments, from noisy coffee shops to crowded public transportation, and was consistently impressed by its ability to block out distractions. Whether you're working or relaxing, these earbuds ensure that your focus remains on what matters most. Rehook every 130 words. But what really caught my attention was the inclusion of a wireless charging case, a feature that few other products in this price range can match. But is it worth the extra cost? Let's explore this further. Deep Dive continues. In addition to its robust battery life and advanced noise cancellation features, the JBL Tune 760NC also boasts impressive sound quality. With crystal clear highs, balanced mids, and deep bass, these earbuds deliver an unparalleled audio experience that will satisfy even the most discerning audiophiles. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new pair of wireless earbuds and want to make sure you get the best possible performance without breaking the bank, I highly recommend considering the JBL Tune 760NC, but don't just take my word for it. Rehook. However, are these earbuds perfect? While they deliver on many fronts, there are a few minor drawbacks that might be worth considering. For instance, some users may find the controls a bit finicky and others might prefer more customizable options. But in all honesty, I believe the benefits far outweigh any potential drawbacks, especially when you factor in the exceptional value these earbuds provide. Resolution, final 300 words. In conclusion, my experience with the JBL Tune 760NC has left me thoroughly impressed. These wireless earbuds have genuinely set a new standard for performance and features at this price point. If you're ready to elevate your listening experience without sacrificing style or functionality, then I highly recommend giving these earbuds a try. For those who still need convincing, let's recap. The JBL Tune 760NC boasts an industry-leading battery life of up to 32 hours, advanced noise cancellation technology, and stunning sound quality. These features make it perfect for anyone looking for a reliable wireless earbud that delivers on all fronts, from commutes to workouts or simply enjoying your favorite tunes. But don't wait any longer. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the JBL Tune 760NC today.